This video explains how to export your recorded video clips in Blaze. First, go to the View tab to see your cameras. Double-click the camera you want to view. Use the timeline to locate the clip you need. You can use the scroll wheel to zoom in and find the clip easily. To select your clip, click and drag on the timeline. Once selected, a new option will appear. Click Export Video. You can adjust the clip size based on your needs. By using the BLZM format, you can access our advanced security options. The digital signature verifies that the files are authentic and ensures they have not been altered. You can also add a password for extra security. These security features are only available for BLZM, but you can also export in MKV, MP4, and EXE formats. The MP4 format offers different options for selecting the streams you want to export. Select both if you want to save them as two separate video files. Let's use the BLZM format with a digital signature. Click Export. Your clip will be generated and downloaded to your computer. Once it's ready, you can open it to view it. With the BLZM file, the footage will play directly within the Blaze player.